Haridhan sir.
I humbly request His Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, to render the graduation the address.
Faculty and the management of New Prince Sri Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology on this momentous occasion. This is a historic day in the annals of your college. It's the sincere and hard work put in by you that had made you to come out in flying colors. The knowledge imparted by your gurus, faculty members, and the support extended by the management and your parents have made you achieve this landmark. It's a pleasure to present the degrees to toppers, honor the best teachers with awards.
55 students have come to receive the degree from the golden hands of Your Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu. The college, affiliated to Anna University, offers 7 UG programs and 1 PG program. About 100 dedicated and sincere teachers and 40 non-teaching staff are working in 8 departments in this institution. All the departments are housed in separate blocks with well-established laboratories and equipments. Today our chief guest is going to open the civil and mechanical engineering blocks. The college has a well-stocked library with 11,746 books, computer centers and 10 Mbps broadband connectivity, well-maintained transport system and separate hostels for boys and girls. A placement and training cell is functioning in the college to guide the students for getting placements. More focus is given on internship for students. This year we are able to arrange the internship in multi-level companies like Bhagwan Cybertech, Alstom, ABB Limited for 10 of our students. Many students were also given opportunities to do real-time projects during their final semester. For gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to welcome everyone to the first graduation day of New Prince Sri Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology, Chennai. I extend my hearty welcome to Your Excellency, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, whose gracious presence at this evening function makes it inspiring and remarkable. I am elated to welcome Your Excellency. I am delighted to welcome Professor Dr. Avvai Natarajan, former Vice Chancellor and one of the most distinguished academicians of our country, as the guest of honor today. My cordial welcome to you, sir. It is my proud privilege to welcome the distinguished invitees, esteemed colleagues and staff members, beloved graduates and their parents, members of the press and media. The New Prince Sri Bhavani College of Engineering.
Every inch proud of your presence to be the Governor of Tamil Nadu, sir. Sayadaruji has remarkable convocations and he has given thousands of degrees, and it is lucky on the part of the students to get the degrees from the golden hands of His Excellency. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a period of engineering and technology. Tamil Nadu is proud of telling more than 500 engineering colleges have been nourished here, and about 1.5 lakhs of students every year go out of the annals of the colleges and they are enriching our country. Engineering.
Mr. R. Bharat. Mr. V. Karthikeyan. Thank you.
Let the candidates be now presented by Lecturer of Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
His Excellency Challenger, I present on to you this
candidate for the following degree in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering who have been certified after the examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of the Anna University. S. Purnima.
Durga Devi, New Prince, Sri Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology. Mrs. A. Maria Paez, New Prince, Sri Bhavani Arts and Science College. Dr. S. Geeta, New Prince, Sri Bhavani Arts and Science College. Mrs. D. Vyula, New Prince, Sri Bhavani Arts and Science College. Mrs. Sukhila, New Prince, Sri Bhavani Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Ullagra. Mrs. C. Jayanti, New Prince Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Ullagra.